Hello everyone, welcome to True Data Cheetah, powered by Delta Finserv Private Limited.
Now let's begin with a video. We will be covering today how to add studies in your chart, multiple time frame chart, synchronization of chart and time frame, basic chart settings. Go to Chart tab and then select New Chart. Now search the script which you want to see. For example, I will go for Bajaj Finserv stock chart. Now select that chart and dock it on your workspace. Now change the time frame of the chart by clicking on tick. You can select the time frame from 1 minute to 60 minutes. Also you can see daily to yearly time period. Let's choose 15-minute time frame for this video. Now zoom in into the chart with your mouse. Now right click on the chart to add studies and indicators. Go to studies and pattern. And then you can see there add. Click on add. Now search the indicator which you want to apply. For this video, I will choose RSI indicator. Click on RSI and then click add. Your indicator has been added to your chart. Now for example, you want to customize your indicator. Click on RSI. Now change the values. You can also change the color of the line to look better. Click modify. Done. Your changes has been made. Now for example, I want to add multiple indicators on my chart. I can right click on the chart and go to study pattern and then go to add, or the shortcut key for opening study manager is press S on your keyboard. Now search the study which you want to apply. For example, I will go for CPR. I will search CPR and then click add. Your CPR has been added. You can manage your indicators and studies by going to Study Manager, right click on the chart, go to Studies and Pattern. There you can see Study Manager. The shortcut key for opening Study Manager is A on your keyboard. Now for example, I don't want to see RSI. I will just check RSI and click hide. Done. Now you can see only CPR. In this way you can manage multiple indicators which you want to see or which you want to hide to make it easy to understand. This is how you can apply indicators on your chart. Now let's see how you can set up multiple chart with different time frame. Go to chart, new chart, search the same stock or same script. For example, I have chosen Bajaj Finserv. I will search Bajaj Finserv. Dock your chart on the same workspace. Select your time frame. For example, I will go for 5-minute chart. Now press S on your keyboard to open study panel. Now search the indicator. For example, I will go for VWAP indicator. I will set up VWAP. I will choose 3600 seconds. Now OK. I want to add one more indicator, that is MACD. I will press S on my keyboard. Now I will search MACD. Done. My both the indicators are been now added. As you can see, I have set up multiple chart time frame, that is 5 minute and one is 15 minute. In 5 minute, I will be analyzing VWAP and MACD indicator, and on 15 minute, I will be seeing RSI and CPR indicator. Now let me show you how you can synchronize your chart. Go to Chart tab, go to fourth option, Synchronization. Here you can synchronize in two types, period wise and script wise. Basically, synchronization will help you to see the strategies from the current script, and you can change the script and the same strategy will show on the stock which you have selected. Let me show you how to sync the chart. Now select the script. I have selected Bajaj Finserv 5-minute chart and 15-minute chart. Click OK. Now I will change the stock from Bajaj Finserv to some other stock such as M&M. I will choose M&M stock. Now this synchronization will help me to see the indicators and strategy which is been already in Bajaj Finserv. Now I can see in M&M also. The advantage of synchronization is that you don't need to repeat the same process by going new chart and forming the same strategies. You just need to sync the chart and you can see the same strategy on different stocks. Same synchronization is for time frame. For example, you are working on a particular strategy of 5-minute or 10-minute or 15-minute, any time frame. Okay, now you want to see the same strategy in different time frame. So what will happen? You have to change the time frame of one particular chart and it will change in both the charts. This is how synchronization works. Now let's see some additional features of charts. Right click on the chart, go to data window. Here you have two options, internal data window and external data window. The shortcut key for internal data window is Ctrl+B on your keyboard, and for external data window, shortcut key is Ctrl+D. The data window will provide you the additional information of the chart inside your chart or movable window. It will allow you to see the additional info such as open, high, low, close of the candle, the indicators information, etc. You can also bring global window table by going to chart tab and you can see global window. Click on global window, the same table will appear and you can move it anywhere on the workspace. If you don't want to see the additional information, right click on the chart, go to data window and press again internal or external. Both will be removed. Now let's see some basic chart settings which will help you in your technical analysis. Right click on the chart, you can see chart settings. Click on chart settings and then you can see many settings option which you can customize. For example, first is features. You can add some features in your chart such as previous day high low, volumes, previous close, average rate and many more. Just check the box and then click OK. All the features which you have checked will applied on your chart. As you can see, I have applied previous day high, previous day low, previous day close and volumes. If you don't want to see any features, just right click on the chart, go to chart setting and uncheck the features which you don't want to see and then click OK. Now let me show you some of the shortcuts which will save the time and make your analysis faster. First, let me remove all the indicators. Now right click on the chart, go to more, click on hotkeys. It will open a window, show you all the shortcuts which you can use in your day-to-day analysis. Shortcut keys will help you to make your analysis faster and it will be time saving. Now press Z on your keyboard to view full chart. This will allow you to see the chart in full size of your display. Now click arrow button on the top right side of the corner and it will open the chart toolbars. This will allow you to make chart analysis like trend lines, support resistance zones, Fibonacci retracement, etc. We also provide a calculator shortcut which will help you in your calculations. You can zoom in, zoom out in the chart by clicking zoom in and zoom out shortcuts. You can select various chart style by clicking on price style and select your own chart. For example, line chart, hollow chart, area, Renko. Now press Z to minimize the chart. Now let's see the next feature, that is candlestick pattern. Go to chart, click candlestick pattern and select the candlestick pattern which you want to see. I will make some few selections and then I will click apply. This will allow you to see the candlestick patterns which are formed in the chart, and it will highlight it and show you the result. Uncheck the candlestick patterns which you don't want to see and remove it. Now let me show you basic trading setup which you can use in your intraday trading. First, let me add one more chart of Bajaj Finserv. I will dock it on my workspace. Now I will change the time frame to 15 minutes. Now I will add one 20 EMA line. Click S on the keyboard. Select average. Change average type to exponential. Change average period to 20. And I will change the color of the line to look better. And then click add. Now let's add Fibonacci pivot lines for levels. In 5-minute chart, I will add VWAP line 3600 seconds, that is 1 hour, and RSI indicator. In 15-minute chart, I will add Arun index so that it will show me change in trend. With 20 EMA, let me add MACD also. Now this is my trading setup for intraday trading. You can also analyze FNO script side by side with the stock script. For example, I have added Bajaj Finserv monthly future of 12,000 contract. This is M&M chart. I will change into Bajaj Finserv. So our trading setup is complete. As you can see, I have analyzed future and stock script side by side of Bajaj Finserv. On left hand side, you can see 15-minute chart with 20 EMA and MACD of Bajaj Finserv future contract. On the middle chart, you can see Fibonacci and Arun index in 15-minute chart. On the right hand side, we have VWAP indicator of 1 hour and RSI in 5-minute chart. This is how you can make your own trading setup with multiple chart time frame, and you can apply multiple indicators. I hope you have understood charts, chart settings, multiple time frame analysis, and synchronization of time and script. Now let me show you one more feature, that is candlestick pattern scanner. Make a new workspace by right click on the main window and new workspace. Rename the workspace and click OK. Now go to chart tab. Click candlestick pattern scanner. Change the time frame which you want to see. For example, intraday, daily, weekly, monthly, etc. I will select daily. Now select the candlestick pattern. You have two types, average and ADX type. I will keep it as it is. Now select the candlestick formation which you want to see, bullish, bearish. I will select all and then select group and let it load and then click start. As you can see, it will show you the patterns form in the stocks and give you the result. This way, you can check the candlestick pattern formed in the script just by using candlestick scanner.